Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook keeping on stopping or crashing. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So, all you have to do is from here we're going to reset the settings for Facebook. So we can go ahead and close Facebook and exit out of it from the app. Now from here we're going to go to our settings. So from here just go to the settings right here. Click on the apps section. From the apps section, click on the see all 930 apps, and then from here we're going to search for Facebook. Once we find Facebook application, click on it. And now from here we're going to do a few edits. First of all, make sure to force stop it so that it's fully stopped. Then from here in the storage and cache, we're going to click on that. Make sure to click on clear cache and then fully clear the storage for it. Now, once you do that, this is going to delete all the files and all the logins. So you're going to have to log in again. So make sure that you remember your password, but also if there's any issues with it, it's going to make sure that it's reset. Then from here, we're going to go back and then we're going to make sure that the application has all the permissions that it needs. So from here, click on the permissions section. And as you can see, these are the ones that are allowed and these are ones that are not allowed. So sometimes when you try to post a photo or check something, then the app checks for the activity and then just crashes. This is usually happening on more Android phones. So what you can do is just make sure that it has all the permissions that it needs. So you can allow for the camera and then allow for the microphone and anything else that it might need. And then from here, you can just simply make sure that everything is all set. Then one last thing we're going to do before restarting the phone, we're going to then search for the App Store or the Play Store. And then from here, we're going to search for Facebook. And once we search for Facebook, make sure that it doesn't have the update up. If it says update, then make sure to just update it. And once that is finally done, you can then go ahead and restart your phone. And once you restart your phone and then log back in, that should solve all the issues. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.